Over the past few days, I've got myself into a fair use copyright pickle with Japanese publication Showpro, and to say I'm frustrated is beyond the actual truth. Now before I go into my tale, my anger about all this, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a like and leave a comment. This helps it get onto the YouTube algorithm, and I believe that is an important issue for all YouTube creators, especially us little guys. Now, to explain my tale of woe, I wanted to make a new series of Pokemon videos using the template done by the Everything Wrong With series made by CinemaSins. I was hoping to go through each of the Pokemon animated movies because there was no way CinemaSins would ever cover them, and fans of the movies can appreciate that there is a lot to poke fun at. I completed the first video and uploaded it to YouTube, where I was immediately hit with a copyright claim by the publisher Showpro. I understand at this point that this would have been picked up by a bot, so I followed the YouTube appeals process and appealed against it, stating my arguments why I believe it was correct for me to use the copyright material under fair use. A day later, this was rejected by Showpro, which led me to submitting a more in-depth appeal with me presenting evidence to support my claim. Yesterday I was met with a takedown removal request by Showpro, which is a big step. Now for those who don't know what that is, it means that Showpro would remove the video within 7 days, and it meant I had the following options to me. I could remove the video within 7 days and no further action would be taken against me. After 7 days, if the video would still be there, it would be removed by Showpro from YouTube and I would receive a copyright strike. If I still believe I was correct, I could make this appeal and it would lead to legal proceedings against me. Now this is where I had to weigh up the risk versus reward for the path I was on. I'm only a little channel and I do not have the financial ability to risk a legal battle over all this, so it was with a heavy heart I pulled the video down, even though I believe the video is fine under fair use. So that's what happened, and I'm assuming the following things. The claim was done by a bot, which is quite common in these situations. The following claim rejections were done by Showpro staff throwing their weight around, and I honestly don't think that any legal representatives were actually contacted. The next step would have meant that I could be getting their legal representatives involved and then starting the recovery process like what happens in suits. Showpro's legal representatives could have watched my video and then believed, you know what, I'm in the right, and then released the claim on the video. But in the small chance I didn't win the case, it meant I'd be liable to all the legal costs. And this is frustrating because I believe my video does constitute fair use and I'm simply being bullied by the bigger business. If anyone's seen the Everything Wrong With series, then you can understand how my video would have worked, and the video that I would have done would have turned the original content into a brand new piece of work. There was no chance my work was going to hurt the profits of the world's biggest franchise, who have an estimated $95 billion behind them. I feel that I and others have been abused by organisations such as Showpro, who could throw out copyright claims and strikes and then gamble if legal proceedings will go ahead, but the majority would not be able to do this due to the cost that could be placed on them if they became the losing claimant. YouTube are in a difficult position as well because they are the platform where the videos are shown and they can't really get involved. They are not a judge and are unable to make a decision if they feel a video meets fair use or not. If they decided to say that my video wasn't a fair use, then Showpro would be within their right to go after YouTube, as only a judge can make that decision about what is and what is not a breach of copyright. So this means that unless someone is prepared to go head to head against an organisation like Showpro, they can throw out the copyright claim hammer without little to stop them. I feel in the long run this only hurts content creators who are being unfairly affected and really good content is being unused. I would really love to hear your experiences if you faced a similar situation, and as I said at the beginning, please like and comment and share because I feel this is an important issue for everybody. Thank you all for watching, and I've been HBT, and until next time, bye bye.